Assalamu-aalikum. Today I will show how to change uppercase to lowercase in Google Docs. So let's get started. Google Docs has basic options that allow you to change the case of selected text to lowercase and selected text to uppercase. Also selected text to title case. To do so, follow the steps below. 1. First, open your Gmail in any browser. Second, open a Google documents. Highlight the text you want to change. 3. Click Format in the top file menu and select text from the drop-down menu that appears. 4. In the slide out menu, select capitalization. Finally, choose between lowercase, uppercase, or title case. Once one of the options is selected, any highlighted text sends to that case. So let's get started. At first, you should open your Gmail account. Like this, and go to this Google Apps bar, 9 dot here you will see, then click here and docs, select docs and click on the docs. This is the blank Google Docs plus sense blank sheet of docs, and click here. Now this selected text we can sense the lowercase or uppercase. At first, you should go to the menu bar from File, Format, then Text, Capitalizations and Uppercase. It will be all texts converted capital letters. Again, this is again selected and go to Format, B, Text, Capitalizations and lowercase, all selected, all text converted into lowercase. Again, we select these sentences and go to Format, Text and Capitalization, title case. This is converted title case. Here is first letter of upholding is capital letter, T capital letter, O capital letter, K capital letter, I capital letter. This is called the title case. This is called title case. This is done, and thank you for watching this video. and now you can change uppercase to lowercase text in Google Docs. Thank you watching this video. If you have any questions, please comments, like, share and subscribe. Thank you again.